Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix message notification not working in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open setting. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option messages app. Now click on it and now here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.